good old New Jersey. This is definitely the most snow we've had since 1996, when I was 10 years old. Remember coming out the front door of the house at, I don't know, slightly above like waist height of what I am now, and the snow was like 3 foot, I think, something like that. That's pretty crazy. But when you're 10 years old, it's fun. When you're 40, it's not, because you have to shovel it all. Anyway, take a look. And we still got like another 11 hours left of this crap. Most snow in Jersey since 1996, and we still have like 11 more hours. Well, yeah, it's gonna be the most, I should say. So this is southern New Jersey. No, we're not all like the Jersey Shore, I promise. Just did a little path for the dog, little dog. Yeah, we got a good foot, I want to say. I'll measure it on the next one. But yeah, I think we got another 11 hours. Probably going to have a solid 18 plus inches is my guess. But I will say, it is real pretty.